Welcome to Azalea, Nature's Symphony of Color. In this episode, we'll immerse ourselves in the enchanting world of the azalea flower. Azalea, with its vibrant and diverse blossoms, is a captivating performer in the botanical symphony of nature. These splendid flowers can be found gracing gardens, woodlands, and landscapes in various parts of the world, adding a burst of color and elegance. A colorful ensemble. One of the most striking features of azaleas is their kaleidoscope of colors. From shades of pink, red, and purple to delicate whites and fiery oranges, azaleas offer a breathtaking range of hues. A blooming extravaganza. Azaleas are known for their prolific and showy blooms, which typically appear in spring. Their abundant flowers create a visual spectacle that captures the hearts of garden enthusiasts and nature lovers alike. Versatility and variety. There is a diverse array of azalea varieties, each with its unique charm and characteristics. Some are deciduous, while others are evergreen, ensuring that azaleas can find a place in gardens with varying climates. Low-maintenance beauty. Despite their exquisite appearance, azaleas are relatively low-maintenance plants, making them a favorite choice for both experienced gardeners and newcomers to the world of gardening. A cultural connection. Azaleas have cultural significance in various parts of the world. They are revered in Japan and are associated with rebirth and new beginnings in Chinese culture. Here are 10 captivating facts about azalea. Azaleas belong to the rhododendron genus and are part of the Ericaceae family. They are native to several regions, including North America, Asia, and Europe. Azaleas can range in size from small shrubs to larger, tree-like forms. The name, azalea, is derived from the Greek word, azaleos, which means, dry. In Chinese culture, azaleas are symbols of womanhood and are often associated with elegance and beauty. Azalea festivals are celebrated in various parts of the world, particularly in the United States and Japan. These flowers are known for their tubular, trumpet-shaped blossoms. Azaleas can be used as foundation plants, hedges, or as standalone specimens in garden design. Some azalea varieties are highly fragrant, adding an extra dimension of sensory delight to gardens. The Encore Azalea series is known for its ability to bloom in multiple seasons, not just in spring. A symphony of beauty. Azaleas, with their vibrant and diverse colors, are the embodiment of nature's artistry. Their ability to transform landscapes into vivid displays of color has made them a beloved choice for gardens and public spaces. As we conclude our journey through Azalea, Nature's Symphony of Color, may you find inspiration in the splendor and cultural significance of these remarkable flowers.